Hello students. This video describes how to complete a project in SIMNET. So we're going to click here on this project. As soon as we click on the project, we get these three boxes. In the first box, you notice it says instructions and so on. The instructions are for those users who have Office 2013. The instructions for Mac are for those users who are using the most current version of Microsoft Office for Mac. Now do remember, you have access to free software for your PC or your Mac through your email account, and you can load that software on up to 5 computers. So if you happen to have 3 PCs and 2 Macs, you can load it on 3 PCs, and then you can load the appropriate software on 2 Macintoshes. The resources file that is being referred to here in this first box is for additional files that you need to complete this project. And resources would be things like clip art or tables from Microsoft Excel or something of that nature. The start file is the actual document that you are going to open up and modify based on the instructions. And you notice the start file is the same whether you're using a Mac or a PC. Now I have already downloaded the instructions. I've downloaded the instructions for Mac. I've downloaded the resources, etc. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click here on the start file. And it is a word processing document, and it gives you 2 options. You can either open it with Microsoft Word or you can save it to your hard drive to open later. And you notice that what happened when I chose to click on it was it put my name, in this case my name is Demo Student, up here in the title. And when you open the document, it will have your name. So if your name happens to be Heidi Brown, it will say Heidi.Brown, and the rest of this will look the same. I'm going to go ahead and save the file, click OK, because I don't really want to open it right now. I would encourage you all to do the best practices as well, because the best practices are the piece that's going to tell you how to get the most out of the instructions, how to save yourselves a lot of trouble. So much for part 1 of how to complete a project. If you wish to continue, please watch part 2.